because Marriott has a day, you used to be able to cancel the day of, but now it's
Right.
the day before. Well, I looked, I had to cancel on March 22nd, which, so I hit cancel and it said, well, you're gonna be assessed $249 cancellation fee.
So you called.
So I've learned when that happens, call that. Because like when I make the reservation, I always think that I'm like right on the, I see the cancellation, yes, I have 1 month to go, I'm always pretty sure I'm not prepaying and, but somehow I missed this one,
What are
so.
you leaving? Are you leaving Thursday night through
No,
Friday?
Friday.
Okay, Friday.
Oh, it's John, what time is it? And it's like weird, like John has to show up first,
And how
because
far?
the campground is in his name.
How
but-
far is your drive to this
You know, I have to
ultra-marathon?
look.
Okay. So you'll finish it up Saturday? It's 35 miles, right?
Yep. Well, it's 15 hours from here, 18 hours from here, but that's not really
No.
You can put your feet up on
No.
that if you want to.
So how long will it take you to drive from here to your hometown?
15 plus hours.
So you guys will do that in 2 or 3 days?
We're thinking 3.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
I do 6, 6, and 6.
3.5 hours.
Okay, so you leave about 4 o'clock.
No, I want to be up there before dark because I have to put a tent together.
So you leave
So
at
I'm
noon?
gonna noon, I think. I think everybody's trying to be up there by, because then they have a big dinner for you. So,
Yes.
I would like